Wild Forest Vision.
Welcome to the Amazon Rainforest, one of the most extraordinary natural wonders on Earth, a place of endless green, flowing rivers, and ancient life forms that have existed for millions of years. The Amazon is not just a forest, it is a living system that breathes, grows, and supports life across the planet. Covering vast areas of South America, this rainforest plays a critical role in regulating the global climate, storing carbon, and producing oxygen. In this video, we will journey deep into the Amazon to explore its forests, rivers, wildlife, and the human presence that depend on it. Let us begin our journey into the heart of nature. The Amazon rainforest stretches across more than 5 million square kilometers, making it the largest tropical rainforest in the world. It spans 9 countries, with the largest portion located in Brazil. From above, the forests appear as an endless green ocean, broken only by rivers and clearings below the canopy. Life exists in layers, from towering trees reaching toward the sky to sharp vines and plants covering the forest floor. Some trees in the Amazon grow taller than 40 meters and can for hundreds of years. Their thick canopies block most sunlight, creating a cool and humid environment under it. The forest is home to tens of thousands of plant species, many used for food, for medicine, and for their shelter. Scientists believe that many undiscovered plants with healing properties still exist here. The Amazon also plays a major role in controlling rainfall patterns across South American countries and beyond them. The moisture released by trees travels through the atmosphere, helping to create rain far from the forest itself. Without the Amazon, Earth's climate balance would be severely affected. The Amazon River, flowing through the center of the rainforest, it is the largest river system on the planet by its volume. It begins high in the Andes Mountain and travels thousands of kilometers to the Atlantic Ocean. Along its path, the river is joined by hundreds of tributaries, forming an enormous network of waterways. These rivers shape the land, nourish the soil, and sustain life throughout the forest. Waterfall cascades through the dense vegetation, creating moist-filled environments where plants thrive. The constant movement of water brings nutrients that support fish, insects, birds, and mammals. During the rainy season, large areas of the forest become flooded. Trees stand partially underwater, creating a unique ecosystem known as flooded forest. Fish swim among tree trunks and animals adapt to seasonal changes in water levels. For many species, these folds are essential for breeding and survival. Rivers also serve as natural highways for both wildlife and human communities living deep within the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most biologically diverse places on Earth. It is home to millions of animal species, many of which are still unknown to science. The large predators like jaguars move silently through the forest, maintaining balance within the ecosystem. Monkeys swing through the canopy, while sloths spend most of their lives hanging from trees. Colorful birds such as macaws and tacoons fill the sky with the sound and movement. Below them, frogs, insects, and reptiles thrive in the warm, humid climate. Many species in the Amazon are endemic, meaning they exist nowhere else on Earth. This makes the forest incredibly valuable and irreplaceable. Every animal, no matter how small, plays a role from spreading seeds to controlling insect population. Together, they form a delicate balance that keeps the forest alive. For the thousands of years, indigenous communities have lived within the Amazon rainforest. They developed deep knowledge of the land, plants, and animals, living in harmony with nature. Today, millions of people still depend on the forest for food, for medicine, and shelter. However, modern pressures such as deforestation, agricultural mining, and legal logging threaten this fragile ecosystem. Each year, large areas of forests are lost, putting wildlife, indigenous cultures, and the global climate at risk. Protecting the Amazon is not just a local responsibility, it is a global one. The Amazon rainforest is more than a natural wonder, it is a lifeline for our planet and a reminder of the deep connection between humans and nature. Its future depends on awareness, conservation, and respect for the environment. By understanding its value, we can help protect it for generations to come. Thank you for joining this journey into the Amazon rainforest. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more nature documentaries. Together, let us appreciate and protect the beauty of our natural world.